Well, good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to introduce a new feature that Medford Agricultural Services will be offering. We now have the ability to see contracts, settlements, and loads online right through our Medford Cooperative website. And I thought today I would go through a quick tutorial on how to use this new feature. First, you click right here on the home page on Online Account, and then you will want to, if you're a first-time user and have never used the online account, you'll want to sign in. For the very first time, it's very easy. Use your Medford Cooperative account ID, enter in a password, the last four digits of your social security number, and your email address, and click submit. Now, I've already got one set up for myself where I put a few loads and contracts in so I can show everybody how it works. Now, the features of the grain are right here on grain contracts. So you'll click on that tab. And if you'd like to see what contracts we have, you click right here on the contracts and controls. Now, as I did that, we have what's in our grain bank right here into this control number 1735, and we also have a fixed price contract of 1217 control number for $9 beans. Let's click on that so you can see what that looks like. You'd be able to get the information that you need. It'll tell you your contract number, what the comments are, the delivery start date and end date on the other side, the units, and the fixed price. On this particular contract, I entered a load in of soybeans, and it'll automatically update. You'll be able to see what amount of grain you've brought in that's been applied to that contract, which is very nice. So we'll go back to another contract control. We'll take a look at the grain bank. This is grain bank corn, and I put 2 loads under there. Right now in my account I have 1,391.5 bushels. It'll give you a quick synopsis of the moisture test weight and FM there, and if we want to see more complete information on that load, all we have to do is go right into the load. Now on the loads list, you can see this for corn and for soybeans here. But let's click on this very first load number and we will find out what we have. You have the date that it was in, your weight, your gross units, where it was put in our system. This one went into a grain bank. Net units, storage rates, moisture, foreign material, heat damage, the grades, and then the drying rate on that, test weight, and any other miscellaneous discounts that we would have. And that's really great. You can see that in real time as soon as we get them entered. Go back to the loads. We'll take a look at the soybean one here so we can see that. Same information, the load number, the weights, the net bushels right over here, and what the price was, and if that was on a contract, so it was right up in here. It'll say fixed price contract. Now let's go back to loads. Okay, so in the loads here, if we need a summary of all loads printed and everybody would like, you can choose either by crop, barley, corn, oats, and beans, or you can hit all crops. You can select a date range, and it should work here from starting in September 1st. So let's just view a report. We click right here to view the comma delimited report, and I already have one sitting here ready to go, and this is what came up. You have the loads. If you can fix it right into a Excel spreadsheet. Oops. You could put it right into an Excel spreadsheet here and go through and see all the different grade factors, set it up however somebody wants it, and how to view reports, which will be really handy for end of year reports and settlements that you would want to know at any given time. So we'll close that out, come back. You can see deferred payment contracts and settlements, although I do not have any of them open. So as always, if anybody has any questions, would like us to work on this with you and help you get it set up, please ask Dan or Tasha at the feed mill. Call our number, be 715-748-2096, and we can help you get started. Thank you very much.